Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix system error crash dump in League of Legends. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to open up your Riot Games and you want to go to League of Legends, then click on account settings and you want to choose League of Legends. So you need to know the install path. As you can see, for me it's a disk C, Riot Games, League of Legends. So that's what we need to know. Now we can just close it. And what you want to do is write down Windows Defender Firewall. That's where you need to go. Open it up. Now you will be redirected to this page where it says in the left corner, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then you're going to click change settings and allow another app at the bottom. Click on it and browse. So that's where you will put your path. So for me it is local disk C, Riot Games and League of Legends. And you need to add League client exe file here. Click open, add, and OK. And that's pretty much it. Once you've done with that, you want to check if the problem persists. Another thing you can try and do is go ahead and open up your task manager. And on Task Manager, you want to end all of the tasks related to League of Legends. So that would be League of Legends, click End Task, Riot Client, End Task, and basically find all of the options, all of these. But these should close up once you close the main one. So that's what you can try to do also. And after that, open up League of Legends. Here it is. Now go to Settings, gear icon at the top. This is League of Legends client. And on general, right there, there should be an option to repair all. If there's no options, then it means your game is up to date. The same goes here on Riot Client on settings. If the repair button is not available, then it means your game is up to date and it should work. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.